Today I will show you how to make this small cute crochet bag. From my inside it looks like this. This is the bad side, the handles, the good side, the bottom. We will start this project from the bottom and we will go round by round up till we make the last round with the handles. To make this project you will need 450 or 500 grams of 4mm twisted cotton cord. I am using 4mm MonoMey Studio cord. This cord is perfect for crocheting. For my bag that I will be using now, I will be using green color and this is mint color. You will also need 8mm hook. You can get everything in monomey.com. There is a kit that includes the cord, the hook, and what is special, you can also get this label with the word handmade in your kit that makes the bag perfect. I'm using with the word MonoMey as this is my brand, and you can get the label with the same label that I'm using with word handmade on it. Make a knot and now chain 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Do not chain it very tight and do not chain it very loose, just medium, maybe a little more loose, so that would be easier for you to make single crochet in each of the stitch. Round 1. Now we will start working in a round like this on the chain that we just made. So now chain 1. Now we'll skip the stitch that we just made, and in this one we will make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. 1 single crochet, and now second single crochet also in the same stitch like this. Now we'll make 11 single crochet right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So we made 11 single crochet. Now for the end, right here in the next stitch, we will make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. So this is single crochet. Now in the next stitch right here, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. The first one, the second one also in the same stitch, just like this. So one side of the chain is made. Now we will work on the other side of the chain. Right here in the same loop that we made, we will make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch right here. 1 single crochet, and now second single crochet right here, 2. And now we will make again 11 single crochet right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 single crochet. And now to finish the round, right here we will make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, the first one and the second one. There is no joining stitch at the end of every round, so round 2. As I said, there will be no joining stitch at the end of every round, so we will just start making round 2. And we will start by making 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. From round 2 we will be working only in the back loop. What does it mean? These are the main 2 loops, but we will be crocheting only in the back loop right here. So only in the back loop. Let's start by making 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Let's repeat this one more time in the next stitch. 1 single crochet and another single crochet. So we repeated this 2 times, and now let's make 11 single crochet right here only in the back loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So 11 single crochet. As I said, do not crochet it very tight. Now we'll make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and we will have to repeat this 4 times only in the back loop. So 1, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Now to the next stitch again we will repeat the same, the first one and the second one also in the same stitch. To the next stitch also the same 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and to the next one also the same 2 in 1 stitch. So 4 times 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. And now on the side we will also make 11 single crochet only in the back loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So 11 single crochet. And now to finish the round we will make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and we will have to repeat this 2 times. So 1 and the second one next to it, and now once again 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 and 2. And this is the end of round 2. At the end of this round, let's put a marker right here to the last stitch, and this is the base of our small bag. And from the next round we will start making the easy part of this project. Round 3. In round 3 we will start making the sides of the bag. So from round 3 to round 11 we will be repeating the same, making single crochet only in the back loop, just like this, all the rounds. No joining stitch, no more combinations, just single crochet only in the back loop, just like this. So now it's the easiest part of creating this bag. Single crochet only in the back loop, just like this. So all the way from round 3 to round 11, work in single crochet only in the back loop, just like this. It's really easy and fast to make, so you can turn your favorite movie, TV show or audiobook, or just relax in the silence and enjoy the process of creation. Nothing to count. You have a marker right here. This is the end of round 2. So when you are done, just count from right here till round 11. And as I am speaking, I'm almost finishing round 3. So now stop the video and continue doing the same till round 11. But how you make, when you make more rounds, the back will come up taller and taller, folded like this. Just make single crochet stitch by stitch, every stitch in the same size. So now just enjoy the process of crocheting. This is round 9 that I'm creating now, and you can see the bag is coming up really nicely, stitch by stitch. One side, the other side, inside of the bag, everything looks just perfect. So make this crochet till round 11. As you can see, this is the marker, so this is the end of round 2. So this is round 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is, I'm working on round 9. I will remind you that everything to make this bag you can get in MonoMey.com, MonoMey Studio. Shipping worldwide to every country. The cord is really great quality, perfect quality, produced in Europe. Fabulous colors, soft, many types of the cord and projects to choose. So all the links related that you will be looking for is below in the description, or just go to monomey.com and you will find all the information. Nice. I just like how the result is coming up, and it's really easy and fast to make. You can see how fast the bag is coming up, bigger and bigger. I made round 11. This is the end of the round 11. In every round you should make 38 stitches, and you should finish at the very side of the bag. Now round 12. We will be making the handles in this round, and we will be also working only in the back loop. So let's start by making 5 single crochet only in the back loop. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will be making the handle. I will chain 13. If you want to make it the handle longer, chain more. But I will be making 13, and this is like will be the medium size handle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So this is our handle. Now we'll skip 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To the 8th stitch, let's make single crochet. So this is our handle. Chain 13, skip 7 stitches. Now let's continue making 12 single crochet. So we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And now we will make the second handle, also chain 13. If you made the first handle longer, make also it longer the second handle, but I will chain 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now again we will skip 7 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and to the next one we will make single crochet only in the back loop. So the 2 handles are done, and finish the round by making 7 single crochet. So this is 1 that you made, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the round with the handles is made. This is how it looks like. Round 13. In round 13 we will work in single crochet only in the back loop all the way on the handles too. So let's make stitch by stitch single crochet like this, only in the back loop on the side, then jump on the handle, also only the back loop, taking only 1 loop of the chain right here, right here, you can see how nice the handle is coming up. So you can stop the video now and continue working this round stitch by stitch, and I will meet you at the very end of making this round, and I will show you how to fasten off the end of the bag. And I'm almost at the very end of creating this bag. So single crochet, 1 more stitch. So this is the end of this bag, and I will show you how to end and fasten off. So for the very end, make 2 slip stitches, 1 slip stitch and 2nd slip stitch like this. Pull the cord a little bit longer, cut it right here, and now I'm using the tape to put it at the end of the cord. So I have a tape, I will put it at the end of the cord, wrap it around like this a few times, press it, and I will cut then with scissors to have nice ending. Now right here let's make a knot. Like this. Then let's take smaller hook and hide the end of the cord inside of the bag between the stitches. Like this. Maybe 1 more stitch right here. Like this. And your perfect bag is done. All that I will add, the final detail that I will add will be the label handmade. I will be using the label MonoMey, but if you get do-it-your-kit with the cord, pattern and the hook, you will get the same label just with word handmade. It's easy to attach with thin yarn with these 4 holes. So I hope it was interesting for you. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. Watch my other video tutorials too. And once again, thank you for watching. I hope you were inspired to create and you liked this crochet project. Follow for more. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.